Your feet are stuck?
Your feet are stuck? Oh, now you're inside of the box.
Oh, you're inside the box. Where did Marius go?
Hey, where's Marius?
Hey, Daddy, where did Marius go?
I don't know. All I see is a box.
Oh no, Marius. Marius. Marius.
A giraffe?